The Huawei Mate 20 is not even here yet, but we already have the Huawei Mate 20 Lite, a brand new phone that shows Huawei can make some incredibly good looking devices to heat up competition in the mid-range segment. What's up fam, my name is Vic Christoph with PhoneArena, and this new Mate 20 Lite is made of glass and feels exquisite. It has a dash of Mate styling with the glass back and the vertical accent around the cameras, and feels slim, elegant and premium. Apart from the usual Huawei spicing in the interface with the custom EMUI skin, you have some unique features like Huawei's own Emoji. Okay, Huawei calls them Qmoji, but they're so very clearly a copy of Apple's Emoji that we could just use the same name as well. And yes, Emoji are mostly a gimmick, but there is a way to make a gimmick be fun, and Huawei has mostly succeeded in that. In fact, we like the Emoji in the Mate 20 Lite more than the somewhat creepy Samsung ones. In terms of specs, there are a few highlights here with this phone. The first one is the Kirin 710 chip, an upper mid-range chip running along 4GB of RAM, and overall our initial impressions are that the device performs smoothly in the daily grind. Since this is an affordable phone, we like that Huawei still includes a quite spacious 64GB of onboard storage, and you can further expand that via microSD cards. In terms of cameras, there are dual cameras on both the back and the front. On the back it's a 20MP plus 2MP combination, while up front you get a 24MP plus 2MP mix, and in both cases the secondary 2MP cameras serve to gather depth information and help create the blurred background for portrait mode shots. Don't get your hopes too high up for these cameras though, they should do a fine job in daylight, but Huawei keeps premium features like the P20 Pro's night mode to the premium models. One of the biggest advantages of this new Mate, however, is that it has a big 3750 mAh battery that will last you a full day and then some more. You also have a USB-C port on the bottom for charging and quick charge support that should top up the phone in less than 2.5 hours. The Huawei Mate 20 Lite will miss the United States, where Huawei phones are banned from entering, but it will be available in a number of European countries and across the globe. The price is set at around €400 in Europe, right along phones like the Honor 10. And this wraps up our quick first look at the Mate 20 Lite. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.